The waste oil and recovery tank fit between the body. Lighting, you got your outlets on the outside, welder leads and everything directly underneath the welder. Welder is on its removable trolley. It's also set up with a cat track up over the top. Hopefully you can see that. For the hoses to be able to, and the cables to be able to move in. Got your toolboxes, you can see your strobes. Rear bin. The oil filter tank. Above that is the parts washer. Above that we have the grease reel. If you notice, there's 2 reels in there. From the rear you can see your waste oil recovery will be on the left, your grease reel on the right. Your lighting, you've got your pole light and your go light up on the top with your strobe, with your 4-corner strobes. Outriggers are IMT type outriggers. Armored lights. Your cutting table. If you notice down low, in order to get your backup camera pieces, we've turned the cutting table the other direction to get it to fit in there. If not, we'll have to make some sort of brackets and we'll make it awfully low underneath your backup camera. Pintle hook attachment to get through your rear toolbox. Cutting lid. 1/2-inch air hose. Now on the curb side of the truck, your Betz lights, tail lights, strobes, outlets. Up within the inside you can see your compartments. In the front, compartment rings for your containers, for your grease and oil. J-hooks down the side, approximately 24 inches off the floor. We did keep them off of the street side so they would not be in the way of your bins. IMT crane. We do have a basket up here. Fits the same height as the compartment underneath the crane for storage. We put a hose reel for an air hose up there. We're using that as a suggestion for your smaller air hose, your 3/8 line. We did put your air hose in the rear bottom bin using Haney reels. They're awfully thick. We couldn't get 2 of them in there due to the width of the reel. The second one sticks out by about 1 inch. You can't get the door shut. We've got the controller, your controller for your air and your hose dry and your air dry, and your regulators are all in the back bin. IMT style control box for your outriggers, all your lighting, your floodlights, strobe lights, your hour meters, all those pieces of the puzzle. Also a breaker box for your 110 fuse, for your 110 volt system. Conduit use flexible conduit back to the rear to actual fuse panel. Again, interior bins per the specification. Again, bins per specification. Passport Plus, wire feed, oxygen acetylene rack, rolls out for access, your hose reel wheel clear for your oxygen acetylene hoses, hydraulic oil tank underneath, curbside underneath the back window. Again, another view of your your waste oil tank between the cab and the body. You notice your trash pump is up on the top. Most everything will be plumbed and hooked up through your Diamond Logic switches.